Welcome back, everyone. In the last video, we saw how to filter with just one column. But here's the big question. What if we need to apply multiple conditions at once? Well, in this video, we're going to learn exactly that. We'll see how to combine fields like employee name and age into one query, all by just writing the right method name in Spring Data JPA. In this video, we're going to write a query just like the one on my screen. Fetch employees by employee name and age less than or equal to a given value. Sounds tricky? Nope. With Spring Data JPA, it's literally just about naming your method right. And the best part, once you get this flow, you'll be able to create any multi-condition query super fast. Alright guys, let's connect the dots step by step. If you remember from the last two videos, select asterisk from where becomes find by. Filtering by employee name becomes employee name. Age filter show on screen becomes age less than equal. So if we just stitch these together, it looks like find by employee name age less than equal. But hold on, there's something missing here. In SQL, we don't just write conditions back to back, right? We use and to join them. And here's the best part, Spring Data JPA gives us this magic keyword. Just add and between your fields in the method name. So the correct final method is find by employee name and age less than equal. See guys, it's actually super simple to create these methods in Spring Data JPA. For the select to where part, you just start with find by. Then for every field condition, you simply add the entity field name with the right operator, like less than equal, greater than, like, whatever you need. And if you've got multiple conditions, just join them with logical keywords like and or. That's it. Alright, let's do some coding and check this with the exact query you see on my screen. You can see here, I have two records where the employee name is Rahul Kumar and the age is less than or equal to 29. Alright, let's write our method in employee JPA repository. Since we're filtering by both employee name and age less than equal, the method name will be find by employee name and age less than equal. It take two parameters, because we have two conditions. First parameter for the first condition, employee name. Second parameter for the second condition, age. And that's it. Alright, now let's call this from our controller. Alright, everything is ready, let's start the application. I'll hit the API with employee name Rahul Kumar, age 60. Perfect. We got the response back. You can see, only the employees with the name Rahul Kumar and age less than or equal to 60 are returned. Alright, now check out the console logs. You'll notice the exact SQL query we expected is executed under the hood. Spring Data JPA literally reads our method name find by employee name age_list and builds the query automatically. Alright, let's see a quick what-if scenario. What happens if we swap the parameters in our find by employee name and age_equal method?
Let's change the order.
Restart the application. Okay, let me explain what's happening here. When we swap the parameters, Spring Data JPA maps parameters by position. The first parameter goes to the first condition, the second to the second, and so on. In our original method, find by employee name and age_equal. First parameter, employee name, string. Second parameter, age, int. So, if we swap the parameters, here's what happens. Our query still expects a string first, employee name, and an int second, age, because Spring maps parameters by position. If we pass them in the wrong order, Spring gets confused.
Two possibilities.
Types don't match, the application won't start. Types match, the application starts, but the query returns wrong data because the values are assigned to the wrong fields. So the takeaway is clear. Always keep your method parameters in the same order as the fields in the method name. Thank you for sticking with me. In the next video, we'll learn how to fetch a single record when the query is expected to return just one result. So far we've been working with lists, but sometimes you just want a single entity. We'll cover that next. If you're enjoying this hands-on series, subscribe to the channel.
Hit the like button.
Tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.